Wow, my goodness! This Mickey Mouse puzzle pictures is the amazing thing I ever seen! Oh, cool. It's so cool. Huh? Oh, hey there! It's been very long since we know each other, but let me give you some quick feedbacks. Well, after you know, I am SpongeBob SquarePants, not only from Nickelodeon, but also in its favorite channel called Mathematical Wonders. It's so long since we know each other again. So long. It's your boy, your main boy, SpongeBob SquarePants. My little boys, forget about that guy. It's me, SpongeBob SquarePants, right now, and with a very special announcement. First of all, remember to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and notification icon for some more information about Mathematical Wonders. Second announcement, of course. Second announcement, a couple of videos ago, we made our own adding fractions. I know, it's kind of a little long episode and like lower views, but anyway, we are making a subtracting fraction videos, even though you don't like fractions, but we're making a subtracting fractions. I don't know what to say it, but anyway, subtracting fraction video. It is my main channel, and we're gonna make it's being hosted by, of course, SpongeBob SquarePants. Anyway, our last announcement, the Marcelo Boy has made an awesome intro. It's gonna blow your mind away. Alright? So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and like always, roll the clip! Here we go! Alright, so this is the tracking fractions and just made with Mathematical Wonders, but mostly by your man, SpongeBob SquarePants. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so after this video, you will learn how to subtract fractions with the same denominator and to subtract fractions with different denominators. So as you might remember, a denominator, a denominator is the lower part of a fraction, the number that's in the lower part of the fractions. So there's like two half numbers, like on the top, that's the numerator. In the bottom, the denominator. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to subtract fraction with the same denominator and the difference denominators. Alright, begin. So, let's do practice method number 1. Alright, so let's begin this one. Let me get my pen. Get yellow. Yeah, but yeah, okay. So 5 tenths minus 2 tenths. Okay, so let's do this in an easy way. Let's just say this is 5 tenths. So I'm just drawing the actual fraction. And we're taking away 2 tenths. You can do a model, but it's going to be a lot difficult. So I'm just going to do the equation part. Alright, so the denominators, they're the same. So that means when you're subtracting, it's the same denominator. Yes, the same denominator. So I mean, we're just gonna focus on the numerators. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2, of course, is gonna be 3, because count. You have 5 fingers, and you take away 2 fingers. That's 3 in total. So the answer is 3 tenths. Alright, next one. 4 nines minus 1 nines. Alright, so let's draw it down. Okay, we're drawing it. Okay, so like I said before, new fractions with same denominators are the same. So of course 9 is the denominator, so the answer is going to have 9 as the denominator. Okay, so 4 minus 1, so have 4 fingers put out and take away 1 finger. What are the odds? It is 3 nines. Alright, so in your school, you might count as correct as 3 nines, but when you get to higher grade school, this word you call it simplify, and simplify make it into an easy. So when you learn and you're dividing numbers, 3 can be divided by 9, so 9 can be divided by 3. So let's divide it by 3 times. Let's see how we get. So 3 divided by 1 is going to be 1. Like I said, I'm in my dividing numbers. Any number divided by the same number is 1. Not 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, so there's 9 total groups, okay? And try to go 3 fingers each time. So 1, 2, 3. So it happens 3 times. So the answer has 2 different answers. Third 9 and 1/3. So both of these are the same correct answers, but this one is the most important answer. Okay, that was easy. So how this one? 5 fifth threes, 5 thirds. Alright, yeah. I just draw it down. Look at this. It has like a lot of thirds. Yeah. So we need to subtract it. Okay. Say denominator. So say denominator for the answer. 5 minus 2 is 3. You should pretty much answer what's on this one. Now look at this. 3/3. If you see the numerator and denominator as the same number, it's 1. The same denominator and the same numerator equals 1 and equal 1. So it can have 2 different answers. 3 threes and 1. But 1 is the most amazing. Yeah. Alright, practice bit number 2. Okay, now done. So last time we did with the same denominators. Let's see what happens if we try to subtract with different denominators. Alright, so let me go draw it down. Okay. There we go. 3/5 minus 1/10. So you see the denominators the denominators are not the same. So we're going to make the denominators the same. How do we do that? Is try to find the I'm trying to find out what the word means. Try to find the greatest common. I think it's greatest common factor. Yeah. So what you do? Wait. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm sorry. Give my eraser. Is actually lower common factor. But if you don't know what it is, so we're gonna find what the lowest common factor is for 5 and 10. Alright, so 5, 10, 15. Oh, sorry, sorry. 15, 20. So we did 4 multiples of 5. Now do the same thing for 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Alright, so let's see what's the lowest common factor. As you can see, 10 is the lowest common factors for 5 and 10. So you see, alright, so this one is going to keep the same. But 3/5, we're going to multiply it by 2 because 5 times 2 is going to be 10. So we're doing the same thing with the numerator. So 5 times 10 is going to be 610. So 610 minus 110 is going to be 5/10, or a half, because 5/10 is equal to a half. Okay, so let me go get my eraser and we're gonna erase all of this because let's see, let me go get rid of these. Okay. Okay. Gosh, it's hard to. Okay. If you need to watch those, the show your work, try to, try to like go back to the video before it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we know this one's gonna be half. Okay, so 8 thirds minus 3 9ths. Wait, before you can see you can do the lower common factor, do you notice that it can be simplified? 3, 9. So simplify. Okay, so we divide it by 3 because 9 can go to 3 times. Alright, so it's gonna be 8 thirds minus 1 third. And you can see that's the same denominator. So we're doing okay. So the answer is 7/3. I can teach you how to transform into a mixed number, but we're gonna do that in another video. You gotta stay tuned for that. Okay. So 10 minus 235. Now this is gonna be a complete challenge because we don't know how much times can 10 go to 35. Because we know we can just multiply it by 35 because then you're gonna make it to same denominators. Okay, so 35, so 235 is gonna be the same. How 35? So how much is 10 times 35? If you're having so much problems, you only one thing you can help with. Is it two things? A piece of paper or a calculator. It's gonna be easy. So 10 times 35 is about 350. For any of your kids that are like somewhere in elementary school, you can be able to use a calculator, but you must not use a calculator. Use a calculator when you're like in high school, alright? Okay, so let's do it. So 350 35 minus 235s is, calculator time, 346. 35. Let's just see it can be simplified. Nope, it can't. So that's that last question with a very tricky one. Try to start you think is the hardest one. Alright, there we go. We're halfway finished. That's an amazing thing for you, an amazing thing for me. Yeah. So remember to take like a 30-minute break, then move on to the final challenge of the video. So stay tuned. Take 1 minute break. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're on to the challenge of the video. Let's try it now. 3/5 minus 1. No, it's 6/5, sorry. Look at this. 1. We can't turn into. It's not a fraction. So how do we make it into a fraction? So ones is gonna be. It's like I said in like some other questions from the back. If you have a 1, then it means yes, the denominator and the numerator are the same. And look at this. We don't need to do lower. You can't do lower common factor because fifth is the same denominator. And to make it to a 1 must be the same. So the same numerator and the same denominator equals 1. That's easy. So 3/5 minus 5/5 is 1/5. Okay. 5 minus 2 over 1. Okay. So like I said, we can transfer it to a same denominator. Have you ever thought about using this? When those like this, it's still the same number. So any number as a numerator and 1 as a denominator, the denominator is the whole. So let's just say I have 5 whole pies. I'm going to divide it 1 time. It's still going to be 5 pies in total. Alright, so 2 1s minus 2 1s equals 3 1s. Or 3. Or you can do it in an easy way. 2 with a 1. Remember, any number with numerator and a 1 denominator is going to be the whole number. So 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. But to do it the long way. Anyway, now this is the beginning of the hardest challenge. Well, not going to be harder than the other question. But 10/19 minus 3/28. You know, we do not know what's going to be the answer. So you know what that means. Calculation calculator. Okay, so 19. So how much 10/28 go to 19? Whoa. Oh my goodness. I was making a mistake, guys. I'm actually supposed to be a 3. Sorry, Marcelo was the one who was editing, not me. Alright, so it's gonna be 38. So now I must do the calculator. And you see why I put times 2? Because 38 divided by 19 is gonna be 2. So 13 times 2 is gonna be 38. Okay, so 38 minus 338. And that will be a total of 1738. And let's see if it can be simplified. I'm checking. No, it cannot. So that's a good thing. Alright, so... Oh, wait, we're not done. Sorry. Okay. So he didn't tell me anything about this. Great. Okay, let me just write this all down. Remember, if you want to see all the work, please remember to go back to the video to see all the work before I erase it. Okay. Get back to work. So 5/7 times 15/21. Okay, remember first to make it to a same denominator. 27. So 7 3 times can make it 27. So 5 times 3 is 15. But look at this. 15/21 minus 15/21. So when you try to divide the same number minus the same number, you know the answer is going to be. It's a 0. Any number subtracted by the same number is 0. So 5/7 minus 15/21 is 0. Oh, look at that. So what you have learned, we finished the video, so what you learned to subtract problem with the same denominators and to subtract problem with the different denominators. That's a great idea to do this. And this is finished by one of my square pants. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, we're definitely ready in case for the next quiz, which will be like very, very far away. So remember, guys, remember, click the like icon, click the subscribe button, and the notification icon to tune in for more of my videos. So don't take a while to make videos. It took like a very long time. But anyway, guys, hope you liked the video, and remember, peace.